One of my learner drivers recently failed their driving test for their wrong response to a traffic light. Before I tell you what they did wrong, what I'd like to do is test you and see if you would get it right yourself. My name is Mustafa. I'm a driving instructor with over 10 years experience, so I've pretty much seen it all. By the end of the video, you will know exactly what you're supposed to do, not just what you think you're supposed to do. Let's get into it. So this was the scenario. My student was approaching a red traffic light with a green left arrow showing. And as he got closer, the light changed. It was now showing red and amber, and still the green left arrow was still showing. As he got even closer to the traffic light, when he's getting ready to go through, the light changed again. The green left arrow disappeared, the red light disappeared, and the amber light disappeared, and it was replaced with just a regular normal green traffic light. So the question becomes, are you still allowed to turn left, or do you now have to stop and wait for the green left arrow to come back on again before you can make your left turn? Comment your answers below. So the correct answer is you can still turn left. In fact, not only can you still turn left, you must still turn left, because all the traffic behind you is expecting your car to carry on and complete the turn. And the mistake that my student made was that he stopped the car on that green light. Now, the reason he stopped was because he thought that because the green left arrow has turned off, people turning left are no longer allowed to go. So the real question becomes now, well, what really changed when the green left arrow disappeared and got replaced with a normal green light? What does that now mean? And the answer is that now everybody going in all directions is allowed to go, whereas initially, when it was just a red light with the green left arrow, anybody trying to go in any other direction other than left is not allowed to go. Only the ones who are going left are allowed to go. And the interesting thing is that many people fail for response to traffic lights for all kinds of different reasons. So if you're new to my channel, watch my full breakdown on traffic lights next, because that will give you a clean understanding in terms of exactly how traffic lights should be dealt with, because a red light does not necessarily mean stop and a green light does not necessarily mean go. Yep, you heard that correct. And if you watch the video, you'll get a full understanding in terms of exactly what is expected from you on your driving test. And if you're new around here, hit subscribe and like, because that will help YouTube to share the video with more learners just like you who are preparing for their driving test. And if you have your test booked already and you're feeling a bit nervous and stressed, then check out my book. It has all my top advice for how to prepare for your test, with top tips from the night before your test all the way until the drive home. Thanks for watching, and God bless.